Hi, today is 18th May, and today is the day when I need to go for my second vaccination. The first vaccination happened on 27th of April, and after 3 weeks, I'll be going for the second vaccination. As I said earlier, I am taking a Pfizer vaccination, so yep, I have an appointment around 5:30, so we'll go. So आज Tuesday है और it's a working day. So I have again like meetings. I have a meeting from 3 to 4, and after that I need to leave. So काम तो करना पड़ेगा. So US में as per the latest CDC guidelines, अगर आपके दोनों vaccinations हो जाते हैं तो you can actually go out without a mask. And there are states defined policies. So the Washington state which I am in, they have a policy कि अगर आपके दोनों vaccination हो चुके हैं तो you can go out for any indoor and outdoor activities without a mask. But this is still very controversial. Like it's hard to know that, especially if you're going to a public place. Let's say अगर आप एक supermarket जिस जगह पे जा रहे हैं तो it's very difficult to identify that who has been vaccinated and who is not. So personally, I don't think that the mask is going to go like away very soon. But from the mandate perspective, yes, they have done it. Uh, there are multiple school of thoughts going behind this. Some people are saying that why they have done is like to incentivize people to go for the vaccine. I think as per the latest data, if I'm not wrong, around 40% of US population is still not ready to get vaccinated. That's a big number. So अगर 40% लोग vaccination के लिए तैयार ही नहीं है तो but still if government are going ahead with this guideline saying कि अगर दोनों vaccination हो सके, you can go outdoor or indoor to any activity without a mask is a big deal. This will actually encourage people to go for the vaccination. I think overall people are really fed up of this whole mask thing. It's difficult, but I think it's been a part of now life. With respect to offices, like we have Microsoft, we have Amazon, we have Boeing. These three are the big companies which are like running out of Washington. They have a headquarters here, and all of them are looking for people to join back them by the end of next month. So everybody in the corporate world is actually asking their employees to get fully vaccinated. So they have sent multiple reminders about today's अपॉइंटमेंट, ईमेल भेजा, SMS भी भेजते हैं. वो भूल जाएं ऐसा हो नहीं सकता, और आप भूल जाओ ऐसा वो होने नहीं देंगे. So we have reached to Walmart. Walmart to Walgreens. So again, the same form I need to fill. Same thing. So again, $0. So both shots are free. So here is this. This is Bionex Knock COVID-19 antigen self-test for infection detection. So ये self-test kit है. This is a simple nasal swab and result in 15 minutes. There's a catch. Let me see the back. So if you see, it says that this product is not FDA cleared or approved, but has been authorized by FDA under the EUA. So, yep. So this is something which is easy.
Do you have your cart with you?
That was just in time. Already. Let's go.
Any questions?
Not really.
You may have more side effects.
Okay.
So you may have some flu symptoms.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any reactions for the first shot?
No. It is all good. Just a sore arm. That's all.
Okay. All right. Which arm do you want to do?
Sorry, this one.
Okay.
Alrighty. Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
Any precautions? Anything?
No, I mean, just keep yourself hydrated.
Mm-hmm.
If you need to, you can take a Tylenol.
Okay.
If you need.
Okay.
Not very much.
So car वापस आ गया जी, and it's been 3 hours. फिलहाल तो everything is fine. आज तो बांस दर्द भी नहीं हो रही, but I'm just planning to sleep early ताकि दर्द नहीं हो तो better है. बाकी I'll keep you updated by tomorrow कि किस तरह रहा है. Let's see. See you. Okay, I want to share 2 things. I asked the physician that what is the can I, the first question I asked is, can I remove my mask? He said after 2 weeks, not before that. And second question I asked is what is the timeline for this, or what is the efficacy of this injection, like how long this vaccination is going to stay. He said that they are still figuring it out, so this is not yet clear. तो इस बात की भी क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि जो वैक्सीनेशन है कितनी देर तक लास्ट करेगा, इसका इफेक्ट कितनी देर तक लास्ट करेगा. And he said that it will take 2 weeks for you to go without mask. So these are 2 things which I want to share. So just want to share with you, even if you are vaccinated, please do not throw away masks and follow the best practices in the COVID guidelines, because